earth rejoices our words, breathing and peaceful steps. Let every breath, every word, and every step make the Mother Earth proud of us. Good morning to everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 presenting today's morning assembly. Earth, our home, is the third and beautiful planet from the sun and the holiest place in the universe. Earth, our planet, is an amazing place, but it needs our help to thrive. Today on 22nd April, we are celebrating Earth Day. We celebrate this every year to protect the planet. Dear friends, let us return thanks to our mother, the earth, which sustains us. So get ready for prayer, join your hands and close your eyes and start prayer. After prayer, the pledge inculcated the habit of brotherhood among us and make us responsible citizens. It reminds us of our responsibilities towards our country. Let us take a vow with Tapsi from class 8. Put down your hands. Thank you, Tapsi. Today is Earth Day. That's something we need to ponder, respect, celebrate and understand that every day is Earth Day. Let's commemorate this Earth Day by restoring our world. Let's talk to our friends, neighbors and colleagues and get them to make positive changes. Speak to everyone and make your voice heard. It's time to listen to today's thought. For this, I would like to call Ruhmeet from class 8. Good morning everyone. Today's thought is, when we honor the earth, we honor ourselves. Protecting the environment matters to everyone. If we honor the earth every day, we honor ourselves always. But how? How to honor the earth? By looking for ways we can reduce, reuse and recycle throughout our homes. By conserving energy at home, by reducing paper waste, by turning off taps. There are so many ways by which we can support environment, and this is the way we honor the earth. If we take care of the earth will take care of us. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Rumeet, for such a nice thought. News play an important role in updating and informing about our surrounding environment. Everything that is taking place around us. It informs us about events that are around us and may affect us. For today's news headlines, I would like to call Shaina from class 8. Thank you, Shaina, for updating today's news. Earth is our Mother Earth, as it is only planet where life can exist. As life exists means the home place where we born, where we grow, where we eat and play. Here we get everything what we need to survive. Dear friends, we must take care of our motherland. And now I would like to call Romil. He will recite a poem on our beautiful Mother Earth. Thank you, Romil, for such a wonderful poem. We understand that caring for nature, plants and the land is integral to our own health. And that is our responsibility which lies with each of us. Earth Day 2021 will mark the 51st anniversary. 22nd April is the one day of the year when everyone celebrates something special. Celebration of our beautiful planet, and this matters a lot to us. That is the reason why this day is recognized as the largest civic event in the world. On this special occasion of Earth Day, I would like to call Mayank from class 8 to deliver a speech focusing the theme Restore Our Earth. Thank you, Mayank, for such a motivational speech. On this globe, every nation has its own distinctive identity. National anthem is one of the main aspects of every nation, which signifies the nation's status on which people of that nation proud of. It is a single thread which waves the country's citizens as patriots. Let us pay respect to our nation and get ready for national anthem. After national anthem, dear friends, for our motherland, let us do something. Let us pay our rent for the privilege of living on this beautiful blue-green living earth. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.